Hi, I am Deepshir Bhardwaj. I am working on MTP project of text visual question and answering. So if I talk about what is visual question and answering, so visual talks about the image and what type of image can be. It can be anything like, and talking about the question, and question can also be any and open-ended question like which type of sport it is, how many players are there. So in VQ task, there are basically three modalities. First is the visual objects, which talks about the all the visual objects here. Now scene text, all the written format in an image, and the question. So we need to understand the relationship between all these modalities. So talking about my motivation and the problem statement, this task turns out to be a difficult in the sense if I talk about or if I ask you how many players are there, so answer you could be directly saying answer is three. But think about in the perspective of the computer, it might get confused with the umpire as a player and count the answer to be four. So here, the accuracy I can work upon is like this gives me a motivation to implement a new things with my novel contribution, so that the accuracy comes out in a greater fashion. So now talking about my novel contribution, previously researchers have worked on the local context like the fast text, Node2Vec, Globe. So here I am introducing a new contribution of the Node2Vec, which talks about the local as well as the non-local context in the VQA task. How we can improve the accuracy? So mainly the things which can we can see is the image embeddings tweaking and the text embedding tweakings. So here I propose a new data set to let my work of the Node2Vec into text VQA part, which states that if talking about the KFC, MACD in the scene text, these all should come in the similar embeddings. In my novel architecture, I pass this Node2Vec embeddings in the multimodal transformers, and based on the dynamic pointer networks, I try to point out my answer either from the OCR or from the vocabs. Like if I talk about the question, what is the speed limit of the road? Answer is 75 mph, where 75 from the OCR and mph from the vocabulary. Here are my predictions on the labeled VQ, which is my proposed dataset, and the Node2Vec. And here is my result from the M4C N2V architecture. Coming to the analysis part, my model has obtained a top 10 model competing for the text VQA part, and it also has produced a decent results with the text VQA and the STQ dataset, also with the text VQA dataset alone. So that's all from my side. Thank you.